Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing fresh batteries and making sure the Sony TV is on and facing the remote. Once done, press and hold the universal remote setup or TV mode key until the LED blinks. This puts it into programming. You do this because the remote must enter learn or code search state to transmit the right signals. Make sure ambient light or obstacles aren't blocking the IR path, and keep the TV's model number handy to confirm codes later. Next, you either enter the Sony code from the Universals list or use auto search. If you have a 3-4-digit code, type it now and press enter. The LED should flash to confirm. If not, use the remote search method. Hold program and cycle power or channel keys while pointing at the TV until it turns off or reacts. This finds the code by trial. Pause briefly between presses so the TV can register signals. When the TV responds, lock the code per the remote's instructions. Finally, save the code using the remote's save or enter command so the programming sticks. You should then test power, volume, input, and menu functions. Confirm each works reliably and repeat any failing step. If a key fails, try the next Sony code or rerun auto search. If nothing works, replace batteries, move closer, remove obstructions, or reset the remote and repeat. Sometimes codes differ by region or model year, so trying alternate codes usually fixes persistent control issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.